Hi, I am T-Shield. We use floor mat in car to protect it from dirt and keep the car clean. We find that some people use local market floor mats due to less cost. Some even use newspaper to keep the car clean. However, usage of non-genuine accessories or newspaper may slip and obstruct operation of the brake pedal or the accelerator pedal, leading to an accident. T-Shield recommends the following precautions to be taken in your car. Always use only genuine floor mats. Ensure the floor mat is locked to avoid slippage. Never use multiple floor mats or newspaper in your car. I am here to free you from unwanted service tensions and save additional costs. I am T-Shield.